Who am I? And what am I meant to create? Words, images, opinions, endlessly being shaped, endlessly shaping us. But in all this creating, we rarely stop to ask, what are we creating inside ourselves? For a few days, the rush slowed, not to escape life, but to return to it with attention. They lost, they learned. Creation isn't always loud, it forms quietly. What we make leaves traces.
The entire world is actually cheating on the Muslims right now. From the Dunyavi perspective, partially their winning is there. So, life is not going to be fair in this dunya agar aapke paas Quran ka lens na. You have to think about it.
And over time, it leaves us changed. The question is, will we just consume what's given, or will we choose to create purpose?
सेंटर में एक कैंप है.
Sense of community feel.
By the sidelines watching you, not to penalize you, not to punish you, not to wait for any moment कि आप कुछ गलत करेंगे तो आपको पकड़ लेंगे, but he is there to help you, to guide you, to empower you, right?
Locked and loaded.
साथ में दिया बस